Accessing Super X-Fi Headphone Holography on the Creative SXFI Carrier. To enjoy Super X-Fi Headphone Holography with your headphones on the SXFI Carrier, you'll have to create a personalized Super X-Fi profile. First of all, make sure you download the SXFI app from the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store. Set up your own SXFI profile through a simple one-time capture of 3 pictures. Your right ear, your face, and your left ear. Once you've done that, under the main menu of the SXFI app, go to Manage My Device. Tap on SXFI Carrier to connect to it. The LED light above the power button will start to flash white. Press the power button once to acknowledge it, and the LED will stop blinking. A message prompt will appear on the SXFI app. Tap Confirm to proceed with pairing, and to upload your SXFI profile into the SXFI Carrier. Once you have registered your SXFI Carrier with the SXFI app, your Super X-Fi profile will be automatically uploaded onto the SXFI Carrier. The LED above the Super X-Fi button on the soundbar will start flashing red, indicating that the profile transfer is in progress. Once the profile transfer is complete, the LED will stop blinking, and either turn a solid amber color, or a solid green. Now, you can plug any wired headphones, or earphones into the 3.5mm headphone out jack, located at the front of the soundbar. For SXFI Theater users, if you would like to enjoy your personalized Super X-Fi profile on the SXFI Carrier, you'll need to upload your profile onto the SXFI Theater separately. Visit the link on screen to find out more about the profile transfer. Once you've done that, plug in the SXFI TX dongle into the SXFI out port, located at the back of the soundbar. If necessary, use the USB extension dock that comes bundled with the SXFI Theater. Once the Creative SXFI Theater is connected, the LED rings on the ear cups will light up in solid blue. Your Creative SXFI Theater is now ready for wireless listening. Start listening, and enjoy the Super X-Fi Headphone Holography experience.